This is our 2016 Porsche Cayenne. It's in a superb colour scheme with a huge amount of factory options on it. Just over £22,000 actually, and counting some. So it's definitely a very, very high spec car, and there's not many you'll find with this sort of specification. I've listed everything in the ad. It's very low mileage as well, only just over 24,000 miles. And it's a beautiful, beautiful colour scheme. Not the boring old blacks that most people go for. It's a bit different. It's got a beautiful grey, but it's got the gloss black exterior trim and black roof rails, and then the gloss black turbo wheels, which are the most expensive ones, with the full colour centre caps. They're all wrapped in Michelin tyres all the way around, all with excellent tread on them. It's got a full Porsche service history, with the most recent having just been done earlier this summer. So next one's not due for another 2 years. It really is a superb, beautiful example. It's in fantastic condition. I even dare say it's immaculate, which I like saying a lot, but only if a car is. You can see the shine on the paintwork that our detailer Daniel has machine polished to an absolute mirror. What a stunning example this is. As with all our cars, there's really no need to come and see it. If you want a Cayenne and you want a high spec, we will deliver this car to you, to your home or workplace. It's £1.50 a mile on a trailer, or £2 a mile in an enclosed trailer. As long as it's not over sort of 2.2 tonnes, we can do it in the enclosed trailer for you. We can of course offer fantastic finance packages, up to 5 years lease purchase, balloon options, so that's quite unique. Not many lenders offer that. And we of course offer warranties on all our cars. That's available as well. So let's talk about some of the superb options this car has. So it's got the model designation deletion, so it doesn't say Cayenne on the back, and it's also got the gloss black Porsche logo, or painted logo they call it, the smoked LED tail lights, the sports exhaust tailpipes in gloss black. It's got the full sports design body kit with side skirts, which just make it look fantastic. As I mentioned, the 21-inch turbo wheels in gloss black, the monochrome exterior pack. It's got the bi-xenon lights, fog lights at the bottom, LED daytime running lights, black grills, of course the absolutely essential electric sliding panoramic roof. So it looks fantastic on the outside, all the best options. You've got the extended wheel arches, which you get with these particular wheels, which again just make the car look that bit wider. Now let's open the boot. So it's all typical Porsche fodder inside. We've got the boot area, of course, the load space covers in place. Got the air suspension loading drop down if you need to, and then under here you've also got the Porsche tow bar, which fits in underneath, and of course the original tyre inflation kit, locking wheel nut, etc. is all in place as it should be. So quite rare to have a tow bar that goes in underneath here. You've also got the electrics for it as well. Can't quite see it from there, I'm afraid, I'm sorry. Moving on to the back passenger side. So obviously we've got Porsche overmats everywhere, and then we've got this fantastic full black leather interior with Porsche Crest on the headrest front and back. Lovely option to have. This one's got the extended leather package as well, so you get the leather on all the dash and the door tops as well, so everything's covered in leather. It's got the BOSE sound system, the piano gloss black trim as well. Let's walk round to the passenger side. So passenger side, much of the same as what I've just mentioned on the driver's side passenger compartment. Going round to the front, so we've got the 14-way electric memory seats for driver and passenger, sliding panoramic roof, BOSE sound system, memory settings, windows, and again the leather dash and door tops. Porsche branded mats and Cayenne entry sill plates. Look at that leather finish, it's great. Full book pack, like I say, 2 Porsche services, next one's not due. It's got the 2 tracker fobs and 2 keys, auto dimming rear view mirror. This one's got the very much sought after air suspension, adjustable of course, and you can, it's also got the buttons to adjust from Sport Plus mode. So yeah, really great options to have. Heated seats, of course, dual zone climate control. This one's got navigation. I say that I don't say that lightly, because a lot of them sometimes come with no nav if people don't spend the £2.5 it costs to add the PCM sat nav system. This one's also got phone, and again a lot of people forget to spec it, so you get no Bluetooth. This one's got your phone, and it's got your different media sources, so you can of course play from your phone, Bluetooth, DAB, auxiliary ports, etc. All those options are there. It's also got cruise control and the sport steering wheel with the multifunctions. Let's go around to the driver's side. A lot of them also don't have the bi-xenon headlights, they just have the standard halogens, which obviously nowhere near as bright or as good at night or in the winter. So much the same here. You've got the power folding wing mirrors, you've got your windows, and of course tailgate, memory settings, Cayenne sill plates, 14-way seats. Here's your 2 keys and your key fobs. And then this fantastic leather bound steering wheel with a Porsche logo, and then of course you've got the multifunction aspect, and because it's the sport one, it's got this aluminium finish. This is also the power operated steering column, so just makes it easy to adjust. Of course on here you can adjust from your sat nav screen and various other bits of information. So for example, vehicle, you can go to info, service intervals. Obviously you don't need anything for a while, as you can see there, because it's all been done. So if we look at that, take that into consideration, plus the fact you've also got excellent Michelin tyres, there really is nothing to spend on this Cayenne. It's a superb example, loaded with all the best options that you want. It really doesn't get much better than that. Superb looking car. And of course folks, like I mentioned earlier, delivery is available, warranty, finance, everything that you want we can offer as a dealer to you. Please see all our 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We try and do our very best to make sure we sell the best examples of used cars that we can get hold of, and that means that we try and make sure that even after we've sold them, should anything go wrong, as long as you've taken out the warranty with us, we will make sure it gets put right for you straight away at your local VAT registered garage. So that's our service. This is Kingsbridge bringing you this fantastic Porsche Cayenne. Give me a call, drop me an email or a text message. More than happy to discuss anything you require, and go from there. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the latest vehicles, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.